Hey y'all, so a quick little haul from Baker's Creek. Just wanted to show you what seeds I got and where I'm planning to place them on. So I got these little lettuces, so they're like, I think they grow this small. Those are heirloom seeds. Then I purchased these bells of Ireland. So these are like more of a floral, but they're green, so I thought that would be interesting. I'll show you the prices in a minute. And the tomato black cherry, these look really yummy, so I picked those up. Lettuce butter crunch. Oh, that's a thank you. I was like, I don't think I ordered this, so that's a little thank you seed packet that they sent me. The strawberry, so this strawberry looks different. The strawberries I wanted were out of stock, so I ended up getting these. Alexandria. Then the cucumber Mexican sour. Let me go get those. Okay, let me use this as a paperweight here, or a seed weight. Okay, so I had showed you the tomato. No, I did not. So then I got the tomato blueberries. Those look super interesting. The freebie, I think I was showing you this one right here, the Mexican sour gherkin. That looks fun and cute for the kids. I think they're really going to enjoy this one. That's why I got that for them. And from us, of course. And then the ground cherry. Okay, so I was showing you the ground cherry at Molly's. Those look super cool. Then these heirloom seeds. So I got radishes because my daughter loves radishes. There's no picture of it, but they are a amount of 200 seeds in there. So I'll show you the other seeds that I purchased also. So let's see. Oh, where's the chamomile go? I know I have purchased chamomile. Maybe it flew off and I didn't even see it. So yeah, I did purchase chamomile. I have to go look for that. So that one was $2.75. The radishes $2.75. Blueberry, tomato $4. Strawberries are $3.50. Little gem lettuce $2.75. Those bells of Ireland $2.75. Cherry tomato $3. At Molly's ground cherry $3. And then the Mexican sour cucumber $3. And these, mind you, have tons of seeds. Like this one has 200 seeds. This one has 50 seeds, 25 seeds, so that has a little bit of seeds. Or, I mean, it's still great, 25 seeds, still a great amount. So that's that. And I also purchased from Home Depot, So Easy carrots, some more radishes, some carrots. I've already done some of these. Other carrots. My kids love carrots, so that's why I got tons of different carrots there. So okay, let me show you where I'm planning to put these at. Okay, so let's go into the garden so I can show you where I'm going to plant some of these seeds. So I've already just cleaned this raised bed here. I tilled it, took all the weeds out. So I think in this one I'm going to put, because it's a trellis, so I think I'm going to put these gherkins going that way. So that's for sure. It's flying away. So this for sure. And what else? Maybe I should do something low, like the radishes. So I'll do radishes there and those gherkins. So let me get that going. Okay, so what I've done here is I just got a stick and I'm just marking right here rows of where I'm gonna plant. So I'm gonna do the gherkins over here closer to the trellis, and then closer this way I'll be doing the radishes. I'm thinking I'm gonna do radishes and carrots here. Why not, right? And then I do have a tree here that I think it's still good. I might just leave it here, and I'm not going to let it grow too tall because this tree actually, I think, seeded here because of the trees that are right here. So I think the wind just brought it over here. But you see this tree? That's how big it could get, even bigger. But I think this one I'm going to keep it short, but it looks beautiful and it produces those yellow flowers. It's called an esperanza. I think it's more of a bush, but we've trained it to become like trees. So you can either do it as a bush or a tree, your choice. But I think I'm gonna try to keep this short. Maybe go up to like where the peach tree is at, like up here. And I think that would be good. If I start seeing that it's casting too much shadow or too much shade for these crops or any other crops, I'll probably, you know, keep trimming it down. But I think I'm gonna keep this because it looks super pretty. So yeah, let's put the seeds down. Let me get that going. So in this set of seeds right here, there are 25. So they are small. Let's see, it's a super windy day. I didn't choose such a proper day. I should have done this maybe like on a little tissue paper. Let's see if we can see it. So you get a lot of shadows here. Do you see the seed there? So that's the seed right in between my fingers. We will put and all I have to do is just water it in. Okay, so that's it for today's planting. I'll come back with another video and give you updates to that little box. Over here, this box of veggies is looking great. There's carrots in there, there's radishes, and I have a voluntary tomato right there that I think I showed you in my other video. So these are still looking fantastic. Everything's still looking really great, but I will come back and give you the update to this little raised bed, and then of course what's happening next to the next raised bed. So thank y'all for joining me. Y'all be safe, stay strong. Bye y'all.